watching.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As of now it's 5 o'clock. I just got showered right now because I have work to do today. I haven't slept yet guys to wake up early. I've been awake the whole night. I was doing some editing thing and I was researching about my startup thing. So now I have to have breakfast, but there is nothing left at home to have. I can't book Zepto guys because I'm bored of booking Zepto every day. And whatever I book only EP, I guess, not more than anything that I'll book Lays or some cool drinks. Rather than that, I can't book anything. And Domino's will not come at this time at 5 a.m. in the morning. So I have to wait it for until 10 a.m. So I can't wait guys. But now I have to go to leave my friend to pick his car and I'll go to my mom's place to have breakfast and later that I'll start my work guys. So guys, I'm going to pick Pranit right now. I have to leave him now to pick his car. So let's go guys. It's too cold right now. It's not even a 6 a.m. right now, so it's too cold. Let me on the lights guys. Yeah, come, let's go. Let's stop. He's fixing the items for meetings. I've left him, so he's going to Chennai today and he'll be back on 11, so we can't meet him till 11 guys. Until then we'll use his bike for everything, so he won't be worried about that because he's my best friend guys. So let's go guys. Okay guys, now I'm going to my mom's place. Let's go and have the breakfast and I'll come to my place and I'll start my work guys. Let's go. I'm too scared to ride on the bike while recording the video because I might fall guys. But if it's car, I can surely make the video, but on the bike I can't do that. Okay guys, I finished my pre-work. Come, let's go to the gym now. I should do chest today because day before yesterday I did back. Yesterday I did bicep. Today I should do chest guys. Today I'm going in bike, that's why I'm making the video earlier. So I can't make the video while riding guys, so that's the reason. We'll meet back in the gym guys. Guys, I've come to the gym. Instead of coming from bike, I can come easily by walking guys, because while coming in bike I need to come from back roads and all. Instead of that, while walking I can come in main road guys, so that's the reason I need to come in vehicles. Okay guys, I completed my workout. Today was a chest guys. Every day I come to gym, I feel like I'm not doing much than I could. I feel like I'm doing less guys. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. I don't know, because by seeing someone doing better I feel like I'm doing less. But still guys, I should do better every day. I don't know when that will happen. So guys, let's go to home. Oh guys, I totally forgot I came in bike. That's what I'm forgetting from that time. I barely walked almost 300 meters from the gym. I forgot I bought a bike to the gym. What the hell guys? How dumb I am. Really, I walked 300 meters guys from gym to home. Shit, yeah. I'm going back to the gym again to get my bike. So let's go. I didn't know I'll forget things too early guys. There is something wrong in me today. So let's go and get the bike. So here is the bike guys. I totally forgot the bike. Literally, you know how dumb I am. I should be more productive every day, so I'll forget anything guys. Let's go to home now. I'm literally tired. This is not my bike guys to forget at the gym. It's my friend's bike. See how careless I am into the things. There is everywhere police guys today. To the every corner of the area there are police. I have to go surroundings of my whole area to reach my home. Instead of I could have walked to the home. Walk to the gym guys. Instead of coming in back. Let's go now. So guys, now we are going to have Golgappa.
Not we, only you.
Yeah, not be only. Guys, I said that I'll not buy him corn, sweet corn, so he's sad, guys. Come, Shishant, I'll buy for you. Don't cry, come. But anyway, guys, I'll eat Golgappa if he doesn't want sweet corn. Let me eat it. Cool it, bro. Why? Because we have to eat that poor burger, right?
What is poor burger?
Vada pav, guys. Guys, we have come to eat vada pav. Let's have vada pav. Bhaiya, do dena. So this idiot said that he doesn't want the vada pav, guys. See, now he's breaking his diet after seeing that I hate Golgappa without him. But even he ate that Golgappa 1 or 2, I guess.
I didn't eat.
Okay, bro, don't cry. I'll buy you vada pav, bro. Okay, he
don't
might cry, guys, now. So let's bless him with vada pav today.
Don't you will eat too.
I'm feeling like I need to hit him on face. Guys. I need to punch him on face right now. Let's taste it, guys. In that I put something. So the burger tastes well, guys. It tastes well. I mean, it's poor people's burger. So guys, I'm going back to home. As you guys can see how we are traveling right now. Let's go, guys. I need to edit the video now. And there is some clients work right now, so let's go. Guys, I have reached my home. It's 7 in the evening. Let's end the vlog, guys. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. He's putting something backside of me. I can't even say goodbye properly. Okay, guys, bye.